Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to wire transfer money on Coinbase. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Coinbase application on your mobile phone if you haven't already. And after opening up Coinbase guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you can see you can go ahead and sign in to your account on Coinbase. So what we want to do guys is go ahead and sign in to your account that we have on Coinbase, and after signing in guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page of Coinbase, where you can see at the bottom of the screen you can see all the sections that you can access, such as home, my assets, trading, and so on. So guys, now let's go ahead and see how to wire money transfer. So guys, basically the first thing we have to do is go ahead and click the My Assets option right here. In the My Assets option guys, you are going to go ahead and click the withdraw section that you're going to see appear. You will have a button that says withdraw, and then guys, as you can see in this solution right here that Coinbase says how to transfer money, what you have to do guys is go to the exchange, select portfolio, and then click on deposit USD and wire transfer. So guys, yeah, you can go ahead and wire transfer by going into deposit, clicking USD and wire transferring, and then follow the instructions that are shown on the page. So you can just go ahead and enter in how much you want to transfer and enter in your bank details, and after that guys, you'll be able to successfully wire transfer money to your Coinbase. But yeah guys, basically that is it how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thank you for watching, take care, and bye.